guys, welcome to Dubrovnik in Croatia. This is the first video of this little mini-series, which I'm not entirely sure how many episodes there will be of, but it's day one here in Dubrovnik. We're staying at Carmen Apartments. This is the downstairs big apartment out of 4, which I have been shooting for this morning. You will have seen, or you will be about to see clips of that, shooting on the Lumix S5. I've also got this new Field World monitor screen, which I haven't shown you before, so I've use that to do some of the video work for them. We're about to go out now, get some proper food, maybe go to convenience store, get some shopping and explore the old town a bit, and then later we might go and swim in the sea because it is boiling hot. It's going to be 32 degrees this afternoon. It's already 30 degrees and I'm very sweaty just being inside. Yeah, let's head out into sunny Dubrovnik. Sun cream. Might do a few clips on my phone when I can't get my camera out. We've got our food shopping now. It's boiling hot, like I said it would be, 32 degrees. We're at the port here. Our apartment's on the other side of that wall, you might recognise it from earlier. And we're just going to go back, have some lunch because it's so hot from what we bought. And then we'll head out and maybe go swimming in the sea. Yeah, that'll be quite fun. I'll put my GoPro on my chest for that. Sorry for low quality clip. Back to cameras. Such a mad place. There's so many fish in that water. We're going to be swimming amongst them.
Yeah. I'll be cool.
Will it?
Yeah.
You're not freaked out by that?
No.
I find it weird. It doesn't look very fun. Me, you'd drown if you went in that.
Good thing I know how to swim.
Yeah, I know.
The easy part's getting in.
That's why I was watching everyone doing. I like watching them all stop. Okay. Yeah. So it's about 7 PM now, which means this is golden hour. I've come out to take a few photos of golden hour with a nice light of the old town, the old city of Dubrovnik, with all its walls and old medieval architecture. Just been at the hotel for a little while. I cooked dinner. I'm trying to keep it cheap, so I've cooked dinner, beef, wraps, cheap travel, I guess. Make as much money as possible from the trips. So I'm just scouting out some good locations to take photos at, shooting on the Lumix S5 of 18 to 35 Sigma art lens. Got like a really cool pirate ship. I don't know what it's for, but it's just pulled out of the port, as you would have seen. Back at the spot where I was swimming earlier, and then I'll head back into the old town and maybe shoot some photos of the churches and stuff. It's all a bit in the shade, the wrong side of the city to the sun here, so I might head back. But yeah, gonna spend the next hour or so taking photos. So this harbour is actually really interesting, this port, because it hasn't always been like this. It used to be that the ships would go directly into these archways up here and they would unload their goods, etc. in there, but they had a massive problem with smuggling. This is back when Dubrovnik was its own independent city-state republic. They had a massive problem with smuggling, people smuggling illegal items in and out of the city-state. So I think it was when the Austro-Hungarians took over, or just before that or something. I can't remember the timeline, I was told this earlier. But they built this up all here in front of these archways. That was never used again. And they then went and built the wall all around the city as well. The wall around the city wasn't so it couldn't be attacked, like many people would assume. It wasn't a defense mechanism, it was to keep out smuggling. So the ships had to come and dock here. They would then take their goods into a tax office, declare them, etc. And then they'd be allowed in and out of the city. So it solved the massive smuggling issue which the old medieval city-state of Dubrovnik had at the time. Really interesting. Found out a lot of stuff like that today, of which I'll share more during these videos. big church up behind me. I'm not sure what name of it is or what significance it is, I haven't done my research, but fantastic to shoot at twilight with the nice bokeh of those lights and stuff in the background. Very, very pretty place, this old town, very historic, very old. All the Catholic architecture make it an excellent place to take some beautiful photographs. I'm going to head to the shop now, which is why I was coming past this cathedral in the first place. I had to stop to take photos when I saw it like this. Anyway, I think that is pretty much all for today. So I'll see you in the morning.